I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a thermostat. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a new thermostat and gasket, a drain pan, and fresh engine coolant. Make sure you have a 10mm wrench, pliers, and a screwdriver ready. Having the right equipment makes the job much smoother and safer for you. Next, safely drain the engine coolant into a suitable drain pan. Once the coolant is drained, locate the thermostat housing on your engine. It's usually found near the upper radiator hose. You might need to remove a few components like air intake tubes or hoses to get clear access to the housing bolts. Now carefully unbolt the thermostat housing. Be gentle, as some older housings can be brittle. Once the housing is off, remove the old thermostat and its gasket. Clean the mating surfaces thoroughly. Then, install your new thermostat, ensuring it's oriented correctly, and place the new gasket before reattaching the housing. Finally, reattach all the components you removed, making sure everything is secure. Refill your cooling system with the appropriate amount of fresh engine coolant. Start the engine and allow it to reach operating temperature, bleeding any trapped air from the system. Keep an eye on the temperature gauge and check for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.